To create a glowing line effect on the sides of the subject, we can use Adobe After Effects with an external plugin from Video Copilot. Make sure you have downloaded and installed the Saber plugin. In the first step, I will make a new composition with HD resolution. Because this is only a tutorial video, I set the FPS with a low quantity. As usual, save the project file. The next step, insert the footage into the project. This video that I used, I got from pixels.com. After the video clip is included in the timeline, I will trim the duration of the video so that it isn't too long. For a clearer look, I'm going to rearrange the position and scale of this clip. The next step, duplicate the video clip by pressing Ctrl-D. To make it easier to distinguish, I'll rename the layer. Before giving the Saber effect, we have to do masking first. We can use the Roto Brush tool or the pen tool. In this tutorial, I'll be masking the subject manually using the pen tool. If you often use Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop, you must be used to using the pen tool. I will select subjects using a simple method. Only the edges that are clearly visible are what I will select. If you have selected the subject, press the M button on the masked footage to open the mask path settings. If the outline of the path looks similar, change the color of the path. Activate the stopwatch to set the keyframes on the mask. Move to the next keyframe, then fix the path section so that the subject is selected correctly. This method does require patience and thoroughness, because we have to check the path in each frame. So that this tutorial video isn't too long, I'll just shorten it when I set the mask path in the subject area. And now I've finished masking the subject area. If the first clip is hidden, only the selected subject will be visible. And next, insert the Saber effect. We can find it in the Effects and Presets panel. Once found, drag and drop the Saber effect into the masked clip. Because it has not been set, it will look like that. To set up the effect of the Saber, set it in Effect Controls panel. On this panel, open the Customize Core settings. In Core Type, change it to Layer Masks. Open Render Settings. In Composite Settings, select Transparent. For glow intensity, glow spread, and glow bias, we can set it according to what is needed. To make the saber effect move, set it from the start offset and end offset settings. Activate both stopwatches to create keyframes. On the timeline panel, press U on the masking area layer. On the start and end offset, I will make it 0% first. In the next few keyframes, change the value to 100%. Select the keyframes in the start offset. Then move on to the next few frames. Now the saber effect can be seen moving. We can adjust these settings as needed. If you want to change the color of the light, change it from the glow color setting. If you want it easier, use the presets that have been provided. To find the right one, we can try the presets one by one. If you want to create to saber effects, duplicate the masking area layer. And after that, just use a different preset. And don't forget to move the keyframes of the start and end offset. That's how to make a saber effect in Adobe After Effects. Thank you for watching, and see you again in another tutorial video.